Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a super soft and fluffy dinner rolls. Take a look guys and let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add all dry ingredients in there, which is flour, sugar, and salt. Now we add yeast. Next I'm gonna add is milk powder, but if you guys don't have it, use coffee creamer like I did. For wet ingredients, we have milk and eggs. To make it easier, add eggs into milk and whisk. Pour eggs and milk mixture into dry ingredients. When the dough is ready, punch it down and divide the dough into 12 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a smooth ball and put them in a baking pan. For this recipe, use 9 by 13 inches baking pan, but I use 9 by 9 instead because I want to make hot dog bread out from this recipe. Cover with plastic wrap and allow to rise until fluffy about 1 hour. When the dough is double sided, that means it's ready. Brush with egg wash and bake for 18 to 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit until golden brown on top. This is the hot dog bread that I mentioned earlier. Nice and golden brown dinner rolls. Super soft and fluffy.
And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you know we post a new video. Bye!